Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off parental controls on Fortnite. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now you want to go to your Epic Games launcher and on your profile, click right there at the top on the profile icon and click account. This will redirect you here to your account settings on epicgames.com. You can also go ahead through your browser, not through Epic Games Launcher. And once you will be here on account settings, you're gonna see here parental controls right there. Now you will need to enter the PIN. If you don't know the PIN, just ask for the person who set this up, but basically enter your PIN here, just like so, confirm. And now you will be logged in here. Require PIN for purchases, you can turn that off. There's also social permissions. So if you have turned on this require PIN to add Epic friends, so you can turn that off. Epic voice chat permissions, if it was not on everybody, then do this on everybody. Again, on the text also. You can also change some time limits, time reports, email preferences, and Fortnite settings. On Fortnite settings, you can go ahead and turn off allow creative mode and mature language, filter out. You can also turn that off. And that's pretty much it, how you can turn off your parental controls. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.